Your brain releases dopamine even without Netflix or Instagram. It just needs to feel that something fun is going to happen. And I use this same trick to make my brain a fan of studying. In this video, you'll get 6 such psychological hacks that will make your brain addicted to studying. And hack number 4 stretched my 15-minute focus to 2 hours. What is your most boring subject? Put it in the comments. I'll tell you how I made my worst subject addictive. Don't skip any hack. This is a layer-by-layer dopamine setup. Hack 1. Dopamine loop trick. Ever thought why studying feels so boring? Because the brain doesn't get a dopamine signal from it. But research says the brain releases dopamine not on the result, but on expectation. Meaning, if you feel that something good will happen after studying, your brain starts generating the reward feeling in advance. What did I do? At the end of every study session, I kept a small treat, tea, a reel, or a nap. And slowly, the brain started linking studying with reward. Hack 2. Environmental anchoring. Your brain takes signals from the environment. Where you sleep, studying there can never be productive because the brain feels this is a rest zone. What did I do? I made a small place only for studying. Whether it's a chair, a table corner, or a small space in the balcony. Same place, same light, same environment means anchor. The brain feels studying happens here. Now whenever I sit to study, the brain automatically goes into focus mode. Hack 3. 5-minute momentum rule. I used to think I had a permanent disease of laziness, but then one day I took a challenge to study for just 5 minutes. And when the alarm rang, I wanted to continue. Why? Because starting is hard, continuing is not. This is the 5-minute momentum rule. You tell your brain, let's just do 5 minutes, and that small victory's dopamine pulls you automatically. My routine was rebuilt from this. If by now you've decided to try even one hack, comment "addicted to studying." Like the video and share it with that friend who is preparing like you. Yanni Stick family is growing very fast, and you are part of this upgrade. Hack 4. Progress bar effect. Apps like Duolingo, YouTube, and Zomato use the same trick. A progress bar shows you a small green line or 70% complete, and the brain says just a little more. Let's finish it. I use this for my studying. Chapter checklist plus visual tracker. On one page, write all the chapters or syllabus you need to cover in points, and tick them as you complete. When the checklist grows, the brain automatically craves the next level. Hack 5. Boring subject reframe. Do you have a subject that makes you sleepy the moment you see it? Mine was maths. But one day I used a trick. Instead of saying, "I hate this," I said, interesting. Sounds silly, right? But this one word took the brain from escape mode to explore mode. Curiosity is connected to dopamine, and when you say interesting, the brain goes into attention mode, even for boring stuff. Now I treat boring subjects like a game. Let's see what new I'll find. Hack 6. Temptation bundling. Imagine you're doing boring revision, but in the background, your favorite lo-fi beats or cricket commentary is playing. That's temptation bundling. Bundle a painful task like studying with a pleasurable thing like music, and the brain gets confused. Am I enjoying or working? I study boring subjects only when I'm allowed to listen to my special playlist. This hack made my brain stop avoiding studying. So these were the 6 psychological tricks through which I made my brain a junkie of studying. Now it's your turn. Pick one hack and start. Small change means big brain shift. Tell in the comments what topic you want the next video on. Subscribe to SciTacs where the brain gets up.